Hi, this is Paul with the Neck Boat Channel. Today we're going to go through two boats in hopefully one take. Both boats have been reduced in price very recently. They're located here on the water at Emerald Pacific Yachts on Lake Union. We're going to start here with the 42 Ocean Alexander, which we've done a walkthrough on before, but we just wanted to give a little refresher and demonstrate sort of how much value there is in the reduced price of $319,000. Started at $339,000. So a lot of value in that price range. A lot of space in that price range. Big salon, pop-up TV, so that slides down out of the way so that you've got an unencumbered view out of the starboard side. Galley, helm area, salon, all sort of incorporated into the same space so that everybody can kind of hang out doing different things together. Nice big fridge, double sink in the helm area, really great 360-degree visibility, upgraded Furuno. This boat has little Yanmars in it with about just under 1,300 hours on them. Also, there's a U-line. This, fridge and ice maker here. Moving down forward, it's a two stateroom, one head configuration. We've got two singles over here. They're not stacked on top of each other, which is really nice, which gives you kind of a larger feel in that space. Shower, vacuum flush head, and then V-berth up there, which is kind of a small queen. Lots of light, lots of storage. A number of upgrades on this boat that I won't go through. You can see them all on the website. Let's see, maybe I will highlight a couple. You know, if you just want to, like, this boat's had a lot of work done on it. These are all the list of the recent upgrades and maintenance items that have been attended to. Oh, and as we go up top, the enclosure was all new, $22,000 worth of canvas up there. So off we go. This might be a tricky one, but follow me up here, Josh. Nice enclosure. It's hot in here right now. Oh my goodness. Very warm, which means it's dry. But yeah, brand new stuff. Upgraded Furuno. Pretty simple configuration but all the stuff you need for your Yanmars. And again, fantastic visibility all around. If you need to get it into a boathouse, the radar arch drops down and gets you a little lower overall height, so you can get into a lower space. And that just about does it for up here. Nice and clean. Bow thruster control. All right, back down below. Yeah, so nice big dinghy with a Tohatsu outboard, and that is Roshambo, $319,500 asking price. So come on down and visit this one. If this isn't your cup of tea, we're going to head on over to a Cutwater, which also has been reduced. And man, that is a lot packed into a small package. So let's go. Now, of course, if these are sort of a little too small for you, we do have a 74 Ocean Alexander listed in the $2.5 million range. Certainly, if that's of your liking, give me a call. Be happy to show it to you. This is a really, really nice boat. The owner actually has a second bigger boat, and he's going to be moving this one back over to his house pretty soon. Presenting the 30 Cutwater. Gotta use my little cheat sheet here a little bit. So started out at $239. We're now down to, or not we, but the owners are down to $229,500 asking. 2017 model year, It's got nice, gosh, the ubiquitous Yamaha 300s with 710 hours. Some really pretty interesting upgrades on this boat, actually. It's got 9 batteries on board, which were installed in April of 25. Invoice available. And a few extra batteries were added so that they could incorporate a hot water heater that runs off the inverter. So, I mean, in a boat this size with hot water without a generator, that's pretty sweet setup. And it's getting breezy, so let's get on board and we can go over a bunch of these features here. And while I'm over here, we've got a control center right there, which is nice for maneuvering the boat when you're trying to do fishing and stuff, especially around outboards, because they can be a little tricky when you've got lines everywhere. And if you notice, there's a third Yamaha over here on its own little stand, and that serves the inflatable dinghy, which when collapsed will fit down in this cavernous storage area down here. And then you can also access your pumps and rigging items that are in that area as well. So yeah, these Cutwaters are just jam-packed full of interesting little tricks to accommodate a lot of people, a lot of storage, and really make it sort of a pocket cruiser without giving up too many luxuries. Got a nice bench seat back here, flat area for a bait station. That looks like heat right there. A little fridge in the back as well. This window opens up to give you lots of ventilation. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I think it's pretty cool, pretty neat feature. I mean, that's a big space. Big opening. On a small boat like that, it kind of makes a big difference. What else? So you'll notice on these boats, everything folds. It either folds out of the way or it folds to create a smaller item so that you can move around it better. So we'll start here with this table. That does exactly that. It folds up and then it slides back and forth as well. If you want to sit in this seat facing backwards, pull this pin. Got an observation bench right there. What else? Big banquette. I don't know if that's even the right term, but yeah, big workspace here. And again, okay, so we'll start folding things out of the way. Propane powered Force 10 stove or hob in kind of boaty terms there. Sorry, that's a little nerdy. It's got a cool oven in there as well. Nice big refrigerator. That piece doesn't come up. Okay, well, let's fold another section out of the way. Sink, hot and cold running water. I'll leave that back out of the way. Give you an idea of the entire galley space. This comes up, sliding open windows. So I dropped this down earlier and I got to Tetris it back together here. So that goes there, and then this seat flops down there. So this is your third passenger seating area, sort of in the helm area. Convection microwave. Josh and I have decided this is the world's smallest wine cooler, but it's here. It's a wine cooler. It's got, you can probably fit 6 bottles in there. Nice big helm area, comprehensive everything. Bow and stern thrusters, controls, ouch. Twin Garmins, autopilot. Yeah, you're not wanting for anything at the helm when you're cruising along. This folds down and turns into your dining table bench seat. So while we're here, well, let's go up and then on the way back down, we'll show you that. So actually, Josh, I'm gonna just ask you to kind of cruise down there and look at the V-berth section. Little TV here, which serves two purposes. You can watch it from the salon or from the bed. And then once you're over there, gives you a nice closed shower area to keep all the water inside. Okay. Now, if you got a bunch of people with you, kids, grandkids, guests, I gotta figure out how to work this. Just folds up like that. So this is either storage or another twin berth down below. Kids would love that. In-laws might not, but it's there. Controls for inverter and your electrical panel right here. Again, I think they just do a really good job of packing a lot into a small space. Not specifically this space, but the boat in general. So that you really could take a 30-footer up the inside passage with two people or by yourself and be really comfortable and have all the basically amenities on a much bigger boat. Combined with the hull design of vessel, she cruises very efficiently through the water at consuming a gallon a knot at 30 knots. So I don't know how big the tank is, but I imagine this thing will cruise longer than you want to without making a pit stop. So, all right, so that's our 30 Cutwater. As you can see, it's sitting at our docks here, ready to go for a test drive. Call us and we'd be happy to show it to you. Reduced price. Both these boats are in the, sorry, I'm fumbling here with my notes again. Yep, the Roshambo Ocean Alexander's was at $339, it's at $319.5, and this one has been reduced now down from $239,900. It's now at $229,500. So that's what I got for you today here at the next boat. Come on down and visit us, and we'll see you on the next one.